Hi guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. I just want to do a quick review. I've showed this before of my little stove that I purchased at Princess Auto. The equivalent to Princess Auto would be a Harbor Freight in the United States. I've been super happy with this little thing. I think it cost me like 50-60 bucks. Comes with all the piping, the stove, and even the cap that goes on top. So let's just take a little look at this guy. It's in a shop that I built right beside my mill. It is a shop that's only 10 feet by 10 feet, and the ceiling is, only 11 feet at the highest peak. But this little guy does a really good job of heating this, no problem. And I just used cutoffs to heat this. I always just keep a bucket of cutoffs that I have, so it's really just stuff that I would throw away that heats this for me all day long in the winter. So you can surprisingly fit a lot of stuff, a lot of wood inside this little guy. When I first got it, there was some areas that were leaking in the different seams. But it seemed to, because I've heated it up and used it for a full couple seasons now, it really doesn't have any leaks anywhere now. So I'm thrilled about that. I was concerned at the beginning, but now everything just seems to be great. I did purchase a boot for the upper part, and that's designed for a small stove like this. I think the actual pipe is 2.5 inches, so it actually fit perfectly on there, and then I just screwed it on. So it actually holds it together very well. It's a very good boot that I got from Amazon, and it was pricey. The boot was probably just as much as the stove, but well worth it. So anyways, guys, just want to give you a little review that you could heat your little shop for, 55, 60 bucks. I don't know about Harbor Freight, probably around the $100 mark, but definitely worth it. Awesome, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.